queue is a fundamental data structure in computer science that follows first in, first out FIFO principle. In a queue, elements are added at one end called rear or tail and removed from another end called front or head. A real world example of queue is a line at supermarket checkout. When customer arrives at checkout, they join the queue and the cashier serves them one by one in the order they joined the line. This follows first in first out FIFO principle of a queue data structure. Here's how the analogy maps to the queue operations. In queue, when a new customer arrives at the checkout, they join the back of the queue. DQ, the cashier serves the customer at the front of the queue, removing them from the line. Peak, the cashier can see who is at the front of the queue without serving them at, perhaps to prepare for the next customer. Is empty. If there are no customers in the queue, it is empty. Is full. In a real world scenario like supermarket, the queue is often not limited by a fixed size. But in theoretical queue implementation with a fixed size array, the queue could be considered full when it reaches its maximum capacity. Other real world examples of queue include waiting in the line at a ticket counter, bank, or amusement park, processing print jobs in printer queue, handling requests in a web server request queue, processing tasks in CPU scheduling algorithms. Now let us see the applications of queues. Queues are commonly employed as wait lists for singular shared resources such as printer, disk drive, or CPU. In scenarios involving asynchronous data transfer, where data exchange rates between two processes are not synchronized, queues play a pivotal role. This includes processes like handling pipes, file input output operations, and sockets. In numerous applications, queues serves as a buffers to manage data flow. This includes media players like MP3 players and CD players, among others. Media players utilize queues to manage the playlist, enabling the addition and removal of songs in sequence manner. Within operating systems, queues are utilized to manage interrupts effectively, ensuring timely handling of various system events.
Like, comment, and subscribe.